Hi artists! Today we're going to draw the Mandalorian and Baby Yoda. And I'm going to make this super simple so it's easy for you to do. There's a lot of complicated drawings out there and some really beautiful artwork that you can check out on the internet. There's some Star Wars blogs of artwork from other artists, and I've taken inspiration from a coloring book page to simplify it for you. So what I want you to do is to get your next clean page on your sketchbook, and you're going to need a pencil and an eraser, and I'm going to do the artwork with Sharpie so that you can see what I'm doing. And basically what we're doing is the Mandalorian is going to be in the center, his shoulders, and then Baby Yoda is going to be down here in the center of his chest as he's holding him. And then he's sort of in a background of the sun, I believe, or a planet it could be. So what you want to do is start with the Mandalorian's helmet, and that is just an upside down U. Okay, and then he has that really cool weapon of his that looks like a giant wrench up above him. Well, it's really not above him, it's behind him, but we're going to just place it here. And that has the illusion of being behind him because we're going to make his shoulder come down this way. And he has those really great shoulder pads. What I need you to do next is to connect his helmet, and you're going to draw that sort of two diagonal lines in to make it look like it's three-dimensional. So the top of his helmet has basically a few lines going through it to create the vision, the line of vision that he has. And you're just going to make that. And feel free to stop this video anytime you need to. And then we are going to draw the part that shows darkness. And you can make your lines super thick with your Sharpie when you're done. I'm going to fill this in now so that you can see where I'm headed with this design. It's kind of like the letter T. So if you wanted to do a big capital T in the center, please do. That would work. So this creates the center part of where his cheek, it's almost like the helmet has cheekbones, but it creates the illusion of depth. And then it kind of goes in here. We'll just end it like that. All right, so he has some mechanisms on the side of his helmet. We'll just draw some thin lines to show those. And then we're going to move down to his neck area and just draw, we're drawing draping of his, he has sort of like a scarf type bandana that he wears wrapped around him underneath his armor. And we're going to design the armor. So his chest plate comes down here, and then his arms are going to go out this way, and his elbow is down below here, but let's add in Yoda's head. Baby Yoda's head is right here, and so we're going to do that with an egg shape. And his amazing ears. his little forehead with his wrinkles. And you can make him smiling or not. I'm going to make him serious this time because last time he was super happy and cute, and this time he's a little different. Maybe he's mad he's being held, or he's just curious all the time. We'll fill in his eyes later. We're just doing the outline right now. So he also is in a blanket, so you can just make those lines this way. We're going to move into the elbow and the forearm, so you're extending the arms down, and we're going to go back and add the chest plate, and we're going to go back and add details to the arms and elbows. But right now we want to show his arms going across and under, and he's got those amazing arm plates, and that's another hand. You want to go really slow with this, and I'm doing this quickly, and you can slow this down. So I'm going to add his hand here. And his other hand is down below. He's got the amazing gloves. We're going to thicken those lines up to show how heavy they are. And he's probably got like all those contraptions of things that he does with all of the electronics on his sleeves. But his gloves just got fingers, and he's sort of holding Yoda. So now we're going to add the sleeve marks from his elbow to show that his elbows are bent. And you can shade that with different things, crayons and markers, when we're all finished. Right now, again, we're just doing the line drawing. So I'm going to go back and add line details to his armor to just make it stand out. And the chest plate. Oh, and I forgot his, we forgot his belt across his chest here, and we can just improvise on that. It looks like a seat belt. That was an oversight. Gotta have that. I'm gonna add a strap mark. All right. So let's keep going with this design on his chest plate. I think that's good. And there you have it. There's the line drawing. And behind them is a circle of whatever planet it is behind them. And they're definitely amazing characters. So I'm going to speed this up now and add the detail of finishing this up for you. And in class, you will have an option of a coloring page to check this out. Have fun, artists. This is a tough one, so be easy on yourself and go slow.